What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and we are back. I can't believe it's already been a year at Ferrari Fest. I gave up my shift this morning to come out to this wonderful car show. It's one of my favorite ones of the year, and we're finally here. So let's go check it out. I hope there's gonna be some loft Ferraris here because it's like my favorite Ferrari, but I do see an F40, so I mean, we're off to a pretty good start. So we're gonna head down these escalators that don't work and check out Ferrari Fest Houston, baby. So immediately we were greeted with a Ferrari F40 with Euro plates, covered up by the Texas plates, and some challenge cars in the back. Oh wow, I think this is the one with like the 2B exhaust on it. Can't wait to hear this thing rip it later. But, I mean, yeah, not bad, not bad. We're moving over here, got the challenge cars. 458, the 430 one the Stradman just bought. And then, I'm not too sure where that one is, to be honest. But, let's take a look at these. I got the cool liveries. And they sound amazing. Just listen to that. Oh, he's almost hit the curb. So there's like way more Ferraris over there, but we're gonna stand up here at the front and watch them roll in because that's the whole reason I came here early. I'm gonna load challenge cars and pistas. We have another pista rolling in. Ooh, that is a good spec. It's like Rosso Foco with TDF blue and white with gold wheels. Ooh, that is mean. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of pistas here today because this is like the newest car on the market. So let me know what you guys' favorite pista spec is. That is a beast of a car. That's how the 488 should have came out the first time. Ooh, that is nice. And just as I say that, another pista arrives.
Well, thank you.
Will's more famous than me. Okay guys, I was just kidding. There's nothing coming in at the front other than that one pista. So we're gonna take a look over here and check out all these cars. We got another sick looking pista. Is that a Pista Spider? It is. Followed by two LaFerraris, one coupe, one Aperta. I believe this is all the same guys. So that is quite the garage. Got the LaFerrari coupe, one of $499, and the LaFerrari Aperta. Here's a legendary car for you guys. Got the 1964 Ferrari 250 LM in the flesh.
What do you like?
That thing looks crazy.
Yeah. Are you looking daddy? Yeah.
Woo-wee. Then next to it over here, we got the 250 GT Lusso. We saw a bunch of these at Car Week. And then the 275 GTB. The classic ones look pretty good out here today, not gonna lie. Oh my god, I didn't think it would be here. This is the car that I wanted to see today. I totally forgot it existed until I saw it poking its head out down the street. I was just telling Will about this car. Wow. The 1980 Ferrari 328 Conciso. I think that's what it's called, that's what it says on the plate. But this is like the one-off Ferrari you've never heard about. It's because it's a one-off, I'm pretty sure. You need a helmet to ride this thing, got all the gauges, got the racing seats. Look at that thing, it looks like a little sad bug. That is crazy. Check out this spec, it's like cream, maroon, and black with gold wheels. Pista number 800. Haha, one of the best. I don't think I've seen that one before. Got the black stripe all the way across. Bianco Fuji. Now this section's pretty cool. We got a Rosso Foco Portofino and then a Rosso Dino Portofino. Hey, that rhymes. That color is actually so sick. I like that a lot. I guess this is like the Portofino section down here. Sorry about the wind, guys. I'm getting a dead cat for Christmas, hopefully. But look how similar this looks to the 812. Dang, it's just like another taillight and just a slight difference on the back. Maybe the Portofino ain't too bad for the money. Oh, shit, here we go again. They finally meet. They finally meet.
Nice to meet you, man. Apparently I'm the fat redneck. Bad dropout. What do you have to say? What's up, man?
They finally meet.
Face to face. Drew's down there.
Kick him to the curb.
You spent your day's wage on donuts.
Me and Drew did.
We got the Stradman in the house. Got his new Pista with the white wheels. Just kidding. It's a Pista Piloti, whatever, special edition. And that man is talking, so now it's time to go bye-bye. Alright guys, here it finally parked up, so we get to take a better look at it. Bianco Fuji, I believe, with the black stripe across the hood. Absolutely love this car. My favorite Ferrari to date. No Caparino Bambino behind, I think, the second best looking Ferrari to this one, of course. The 812 Superfast. Alright guys, we got the Dino. The Dino, baby. Patrick, man, 2 years in a row. You haven't came and your car is sitting in the same spot. And that is nice. Big Wang Gang in the building. Okay.
Blue wheels.
Ooh, the Oreo spec. Black and white, baby.
That guy looks like
We had Gucci Man in the F12. Oh yeah! That's what a V12 should sound like. This man is dripping.
That's the real Gucci man.
Head to toe in Gucci.
It's the real Gucci man.
That's a thumbnail right there, baby. Dante, the real estate tycoon's about to take the F12.
What's the noise in this place?
Yes, sir. Alright guys, this is my favorite car here, you already know. Little JDM boy and me coming out with the Liberty Walk 458. 458 Destroyer, baby. Best car here, no Caparino Bambino. Just when I thought everything had shown up, we have a black TDF that I've never seen before. Apparently this one was sold out of Idaho. Black with the white stripes. Amazing, amazing. We always could use more TDFs in Houston. That is one sick car. Alright guys, we're here at the front. Now inside is all the Ferraris, but up front is like all the other stuff that shows up. So we got a Z06 430, the IX Exotics Pista that Mike loves oh so very much, and a first gen Gallardo. And across the way over here, we got a 488. A very nice Ford GT. I don't know if this is the oh, there's a brother. Okay, okay. I think this is like the Whipple supercharger one, I'm not exactly sure. Then we have a very nice GTC for Lusso and 2 Defenders. That one even has a rope on it. That's crazy. Oh, is he gonna send it? Is he gonna send it? Oh, that's like a 6% send. Hey, we got what we need here. We got the American Muscle pulling up in the Ferrari meet.
Who's that slow?
At the CTSV and the Z06. Yes, sir. You know how we had to do it to them? We're the only boys that'll show up to a Ferrari meet and encourage some F-boyery. We're gonna get all the boys out of here, sending it burnouts and some donuts. Yeah! Nice. SV Roadster. That does sound good.
I can't hear you.
Woo! It's Quavo in the 4x4. His plate is billion. Whoa. Okay.
My camera.
Jesus. What the heck? What is that? It's a spiker.
What the fuck? A fucking spiker. Drew. Spiker down there.
It's a spiker. Right? Nice. That is so rare. What the heck? Here we get to take a better look at this spiker. One of the strangest supercars on the market right now. Check out the roof scoop. This dude is like, what is happening? That is crazy.
This is that Super Bowl.
Kind of looks like a, I don't know, you're gonna hate me, but I get kind of Veyron vibes from the back. I think it's the big silver things, but beast of a vehicle. We got the Onyx Bentley. This was in my very first video I ever made. Full Onyx body kit. Very cool. Another F40.
Is it Eurospec?
It's blurry, no, but it's a legendary F40.
Not even pulling up to the fucking show.
He's going to put it in the garage next to the FRS. Smoke 'em! Hellcat Red Eye! Just kidding! That's just a regular one.
Yeah!
That's a real Mopar owner right there.
Mopar. Rev it!
Rev it! Alright, nice! We're gonna get him to send this thing. That sounds crazy. Here we go.
Send it!
That is a V10 right there. Awesome. We got the regular one, lime green, and we got the white 4x4 down there. Alright, we did it with the Gallardo. Let's see if we can do it with the Pista. It's send time. Yes, sir.
on the ZR1.
Yeah, big Wang gang, baby. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I think that's bigger than mine.
A wing and a half right there.
That's so cool. Whoa, that is crazy. Jesus.
New burnout, Alex.
Look, we got a Viper and then a Christmas tree on top of that car, and then way down there, a Christmas tree on top of that car. Okay, I see you. The squad flex. Slight flex. Oh, he just ran a red light.
That's illegal.
Lock him up and throw away the key. You got some competition, Nos. Monster just handed me a free Monster, and we'll see how it tastes. Tastes like Fanta. Very good. Alright guys, that was Ferrari Festival Houston 2019. We got a lot of good sense from all the supercars today, and I think that Gallardo was the best. So I mean, he embarrassed all the Ferrari owners today. But now we're going out to eat with our boys at Cane's Fried Chicken, and I couldn't be happier. So you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I'm gonna head out. And yeah, if you liked the video, please smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.